this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and that's the connector. USB, it has USB-C connector, and let's see if it's plugged in. Okay. With the iPhone, it's going to be an easier test to do this. I could just try to record ProRes and see if that works. Okay, so camera, video. So while this is connected now, while the T7 Shield is connected to the iPhone, I will try to enable ProRes, and ProRes is enabled. And let's see, 4K HD. So I have ProRes enabled 4K 60. Let's make ProRes 4K 120, just as a test. And we can do a like this really fast swiping action, and you see that it's blinking there. So it's actually recording to the SSD directly, and it's telling me here that USB-C is connected. So the T7 Shield is connected through USB-A, then a converter adapter to the iPhone. So that's nice. That worked. Okay, so let's see. Let's try to play it back. This really fast swiping action. Okay. Okay, so this works pretty good, and it's playing now from the SSD directly. And I don't need to use the storage of the iPhone for ProRes recording. I wouldn't record ProRes. I think it's too much. But I think the camera will not record anything other than ProRes to the SSD, so that's gonna be a bit of a shame, I think. I don't see an option to record, like a setting to record to SSD. But when I switch to ProRes, it will show here USB-C. So that's, I think that's what it is. Let me know if you can record 4K regular H.265 to SSD, but actually I can copy the files over. If I wanted to see the files on the external SSD, I would need to use a file manager app, and I open here, I could browse files on my iPhone Drive, Google Drive, iCloud Drive, but also there is the T7 SG. I guess that's the T7 Shield. So these are the folders on the T7 Shield, and I could try to play one of the videos. Let's say this one, current, this one, video about iPhone, and yep. Test. Make sure it's running iOS 11 or later, and it has Bluetooth turned on. So I can play through this USB adapter from iPhone and from Android, and I can transfer files, and this actually pretty useful. In my case, actually, I didn't need to use the adapter because I have the USB-C to USB-C adapter. In my case, I didn't need to use the adapter here because I have a cable that is USB-C to USB-C, and you should always use the USB-C to USB-C cable directly to your Android or iPhone, especially if you're recording ProRes from the iPhone onto the external SSD. It's going to be one less contact point that could fail. It could be moving. So if this thing is wiggling a little bit, it might disconnect, and then you can't record anymore. But it's working. So I will close it now. Okay, so I'm not sure actually how to eject this one. I think from the files here. I'll try from the files. So I go browse, and then it's already gone from there. Did I move it? I think I just moved it a little bit and it's disconnected. Let's force close the app. Browse. browse, and it's not there, so it's got disconnected. If I connect it again, not sure if it's supposed to show here or okay, now it's showing. So it might have a connection issue. That's how it is. But if I want to eject it, where is the option? Okay, if I want to eject it, I'm not sure on iPhone, I'm not sure how to eject this one. If I long press on it, I get the option to erase it. So wow, that's a lot. So this is information about the T7 shield and its format exFAT. Okay, I'll have to just unplug it. Should be gone from there. So actually the adapter works pretty well even for iPhone. Thanks for watching.